Today is Wednesday, Parashat Pinchas. The parasha of this week, Pinchas, is actually that section in the Torah is one that gets opened the most all year round. Because there are many parashiot that are read only once a year. But the parasha of this week includes in it the daily sacrifices for every day of the year, and also the sacrifices that are applicable for each special day of the year, starting with Shabbat and Rosh Chodesh, and then each one of the holidays, Pesach, Shavuot, Sukkot, Rosh Hashanah, Kippur, Shmini Atzeret, each and every holiday in the Bet HaMikdash, there was, aside from the regular Korban that was brought in the morning, which is Korban Tamid Shel Shachrit, and Korban Tamid Shel Ben Arba'im, one in the morning and one in the afternoon, aside from those set Korbanot, sacrifices that are brought every single day of the year, there was what's called a Korban Musaf, an extra Korban. That extra Korban is a Korban that is applicable to the day as a holiday or Shabbat or Rosh Chodesh. And therefore, when we take out the Sefer Torah on Rosh Chodesh, we open it to Parashat Pinchas. When we take out the Sefer Torah on any holiday, aside, we take out usually two Sefer Torah. In the first one, we read the parasha that is applicable to that holiday from a certain place in the Chumash, and then always the second Sefer Torah includes in it the Korban that is brought for that specific day as an extra Korban. And therefore, when it's Pesach, it'll be the Korban, extra Korban for the days of Pesach. When it's Kippur, the extra Korban for the day of Kippur, the extra Korban for the day of Rosh Hashanah, etc., for each day of the year. So what ends up happening is this parasha gets open and read in the most from any other parasha of the year. Because obviously you have 12 or 13 sometimes Rosh Chodesh, you have all the days of the holidays, so each holiday there's an extra Sefer Torah that is brought out and we read from this parasha. Today we don't have Bet HaMikdash, and we're not able to bring korbanot, sacrifices. So the pasuk says, "Unshal lema parim sefatenu." Instead of korbanot, instead of sacrifices, we pay the sacrifices by using our lips. In other words, by our prayers, our reading in the Torah, we are fulfilling of the mitzvah of bringing a sacrifice. Of course, it's not exactly the same. We're not bringing a sacrifice, but our statements, our reading in the parasha for the korban that is applicable to that day is as if we were bringing a korban. And the lesson here of the korban tamid, why is it that every day we must bring a korban in the morning and one in the afternoon? That consistent, persistent, daily service is very important, because when you're committed, and it's a daily commitment, and every day when we bring the korban in the morning and in the evening, the sacrifice to Hashem, which today is replaced by our prayers. So we have to pray Shachrit in the morning, we pray Mincha in the afternoon, and that's to parallel the Korban Tamid of the morning and the Korban Tamid of the afternoon. And then Arvit is for all those parts of the Korban, of the sacrifice, or the sacrifices for that day, that were brought on the Mizbeach and were not consumed yet. They'll be consumed at night. We have also a prayer for that, which is prayer of Arvit. Another approach regarding the three prayers of the day is Shachrit is a prayer that Avraham Avinu established, Mincha is a prayer that Yitzchak Avinu established, and Arvit is a prayer that Yaakov Avinu established. And these are the three prayers of the day, and important, just like Korban Tamid was done daily, very important that we pray daily in the morning, in the afternoon, and the evening, and that prayer is a beautiful connection that we have daily with Hashem. Baruch Adonai Le'olam, Amen ve'amen.